guys, it is officially morning. I've got to get prepared for this wedding, so let's do this today! Tried to experiment and it kind of went wrong, but oh well. Hopefully this is gonna be good. Hopefully everybody likes it.
Welcome, friends and family, to the wedding celebration of Jackie and Alan. It really is a great day when two people who love each other.
What did I join my hand? Oh, sorry. That was fun. Put me in the back.
Get away, please. All right, here we go.
That's pretty far for me to go.
Yeah, that's all right.
Okay, you ready? Yeah.
Okay, so guys, today is the end of today. I had a great time, and I caught the bouquet. So apparently that means I'm next to get married, but that's what the tradition says, so we'll see. Anyways, I had a great day. I'm probably gonna head off, just relax, because it's been a busy day. I don't know when I will vlog next. It depends on what I'm doing and what's happening, so I will see you guys later then. Love you guys. Peace out. See you later.